So now this is our fourth question. So fourth question goes like this. Three of the following four-letter clusters are alike in a certain way and one is different. Pick the odd one now. So don't bother about this four-letter, it is three-letter clusters. So let's analyze these options. First one is EBV. EBV means E is the fifth letter and B is the second letter, and this comes around like 25 22, 21, 22, 23, that range. So even if we see there is some connection between these letters, so 5 to 22, something like that, but this one get GET, again there isn't any pattern like EBV in this. If you see like E F G, so E plus 2 gives G, but that doesn't like give any pattern. If we see BYY, also there isn't much of a pattern, and JGQ also there isn't much of a pattern. So if we see these options and even if we analyze with the number of these letters or the position of these letters, there isn't much of a change. So there isn't any pattern as such. So what we can conclude is like we can choose second option, because get is a meaningful word and all other letters or the cluster of letters are not meaningful. So we can choose the second option, GET, get, because it is a meaningful word. Now about this fifth question. So the fifth question is, which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Like the third question, here also we have to interchange two signs to make this equation correct. So equation means we have both the LHS side and the RHS side should be equal, right? So if we see this equation, 17 into 4, it comes around in the 60s, like 68. So 68 plus 6 divided by 2, it is 3 and minus 27. So from 68, if we are again minus 27, it should go even less. So we should get 92. So what we have to do, obviously this minus sign should be changed. And if we see the 60 divided by 2 is not of, this division is not much of a pain, or not much change is there using this division. So it can be kept as such. But if we see this plus, these small changes, it could affect this 92. So we are changing this plus sign and this minus sign. So by interchanging this minus and the plus, we will get the answer. So 17 multiplied by 4. 17 multiplied by 4 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 27. So if we see 17 multiplied by 4 and 6 divided by 2. So by using what ones we have to do the 6 divided by 2 first. So that will be 17 multiplied by 4 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Minus 3 plus 27. So again 17 multiplied by 4 is 68. So 68 minus 3 and plus 27. So obviously this will give us the answer, that is 92. So if we minus 68 by 3, we will get 65. 65 plus 27, it will give us 92. So this is equal to 92. So that's how the fifth question is done. So I hope you're clear with both these questions.